Working with IKO has been a very satisfying experience for me. I have every confidence in the world the Dynasty product will stay on. Just a heavy-duty, strong product that we have great confidence in. We're on the ocean, so we get extreme winds with occasional hurricanes. You need a good heavy-duty product to withstand the conditions that we have here in Nova Scotia. This whole complex we're at now has the Dynasty product on it. It was one of the first projects we did with Dynasty. As you can see, it's weathered well. We've never been back for any type of repair or call of any nature. We use them pretty much fluently now throughout all our projects, residential or commercial. When I meet a client, I like to give them some kind of knowledge of how the roofing job would go. Product knowledge is something that we offer on every estimate we give. We tell them all about the products that we use and why we use them for their home and what they should have for their home. Dynasty offers a few features which a lot don't. The nail zone gives a very definite pattern of where you can put your nails. The self-seal strip on the underside is modified to a point of where it really bonds well, it holds well. It's just a very strong product. I have no problem sleeping at night, knowing what I have on the roof and the way we've installed them. We're very confident in the product.